Hi, Sean Gavigan here. December, we get a lot of questions on jewelry. There are a lot of gifts purchased this time of year. A lot of engagements occur this time of year with the holidays and New Year's. So the question comes up a lot: how do I cover this jewelry that I just purchased? So if it's for somebody, the two of you are living together and you have a homeowner policy, you can generally schedule it on your homeowner policy directly. You can also have an inland marine policy that will be a separate policy just for the jewelry. If you don't have a home yet, maybe one fiance is living wherever and the other one's living with their parents, that ring can temporarily be covered under a parent's homeowner policy until you get out and get your own house or get your own inland marine policy, whatever you want to do. Those items typically to be scheduled, first of all, they're usually about $10 to $12 per thousand in jewelry to insure. So a $10,000 ring would be anywhere from $100 to $120 per year. In order to get those items scheduled, you'll want to have either an appraisal or a bill of sale, just to show the item's actual worth. And also, if you have several items, maybe there's not just this item, maybe it's not an engagement, but just a Christmas present, and there are items that have been purchased in the past. We have people that'll call and say, hey, I'd like to add, I have these 9 different items, from over the years. I don't have appraisals for them or bills of sale even because they were purchased long ago. If you have as long as no one item is over a certain value, depending on the carrier, $2,500 or $5,000, we can get a blanket limit of coverage on a homeowner policy with some companies. So it's just saying, look, give me $15,000, $20,000 worth of coverage. I'm going to insure these 9 items under that. And again, as long as no one item exceeds a certain amount, you can have a blanket limit, so it doesn't need to be scheduled specifically or individually, and no bills of sale or appraisals are required. So a few different ways you can do it, but it's generally pretty inexpensive. You definitely want to make sure that you talk to your agent about it and make sure that they, or call us if we're your agent, and make sure that you get it done so nobody's heartbroken if there's a loss, because prongs break, things disappear, and so on. So good luck out there, and if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.